Ever wished you could use the same powerful AI tools that big companies use, but for free? Well, that wish just came true. Meet DeepSeek V3, a free AI tool that's making expensive AI services nervous, and for good reason. Let me break down why this is such big news. Most good AI tools cost a lot of money to use. But DeepSeek V3? It's completely free and open to everyone. That means anyone can use it, change it, or build new things with it. No hidden fees, no monthly payments, just pure AI power available to all. Here's something crazy. While other companies spend hundreds of millions of dollars making their AI, DeepSeek V3 was built for just $5.5 million. That's like getting a luxury car for the price of a bicycle. But don't let the low cost fool you. This AI is incredibly powerful. How powerful? Well, it can think 3 times faster than older versions. It understands and remembers as much text as a whole book. That's way more than most other AI tools out there. Whether you're writing something, need help with math, or want to create computer code, DeepSeek V3 can handle it all. And it's not just fast, it's really smart too. In tests, it's doing better than many expensive AI services. It's great at speaking different languages, solving tough math problems, and writing computer code. Even the experts who work with AI every day are amazed by what it can do. Think about what this means. Small business owners who couldn't afford expensive AI can now use the same powerful tools as big companies. Students and researchers can use it for their work. Writers can get help with their stories. The possibilities are endless, and remember, it's all free. And here's the best part. You can actually download and use DeepSeek V3 right now on your computer. All the model files are available on Hugging Face, and there's a detailed guide on GitHub showing you exactly how to set it up. I'll put all the important links in the description below so you can check them out. All you need is a decent computer setup to get started. But I know installation isn't everyone's cup of tea. If you want to skip the technical setup, you can try DeepSeek V3 right away on platforms like Anakin AI, which I've talked about in my previous videos. There you can access not just DeepSeek V3, but also other powerful AI models like GPT-4, Claude 3.5, Gemini Pro, and Meta Llama, plus some cool AI image and video generation tools. So, what do you think about this new DeepSeek V3? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.